Miss Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam. Welcome in my class.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam. Hello, assalamu alaikum students.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम मिस।
Please open the page number 32 students. But before my lesson, I'm showing you some slides.
मिस क्या क्लासेस हर रोज हुआ करेंगी अब एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस?
It depends on your syllabus. First, open your book, everyone, please. Do not discuss anything, please.
ये क्या हो गया?
Hello, students.
यस मिस।
First, share the slides, all of you, and want to discuss to your previous knowledge regarding about the lesson. Open the page number 32. No doubt you will study the page number 32, students.
Okay.
Yes, students, this lesson we have to study about it's a unit number 3, as you know. As you know that we are studying unit number 3, reaction of metals. Before this lesson, I have told you about the many formations about the metals.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam.
मिस बुक पे कौन सा टॉपिक?
On this book, your topic is today the reactivity series, page number 32. Sorry, 34. Reactivity series, page 34. Unit number 3. Yes, students. Are you observing the slides?
Yes, miss.
Acha, what is the first slide? Slide
वैसे
number 1.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी केबल्स हैं, ज्वेलरीज हैं,
Unit
रिएक्शन ऑफ
number.
मेटल.
Yes, yes. There are
Miss,
two
unit
slides.
number 3, reactions of matter.
Yes, unit number 3, reactions of metals. No doubt, it's not our topic today, but we want to see your previous knowledge about the reactions of metal. In my previous lesson, I have told you about the metals. First, I have told you about the reactions of the properties of the metal. So look, what are the different properties of the metals? Who will tell me? Yes. Who will tell me
मेटल
about
आर डेंस.
metals are dense? Very good.
Miss, metal conduct electricity and heat.
मेटल आर malleable and ductile.
Yes.
Miss, metal
Metal
conduct
conduct
electricity.
electricity and heat.
Just give me one answer, please.
Miss, metal conduct electricity and heat.
Yes.
And metal are
Metal are
dense.
dense. Metal are malleable and ductile.
Right. Yes. Metals conduct heat and electricity. Metals are malleable and ductile. Why metals are dense? Only one student will give me the answer. अगर एक बच्चा बोल रहा है तो दूसरा बच्चा नहीं बोलेगा.
मिस मैं बताऊं?
Yes.
Miss, most metal are much denser than non-metal. Miss, the density और मिस वो डेंस इसलिए होते हैं मिस क्योंकि उनकी जो कॉपर वायर होती हैं वो नॉन मेटल होती है इसलिए.
Copper wire.
मिस ये इसलिए डेंस होते हैं क्योंकि मिस जो इनके एटम्स होते हैं वो क्लोजली पैक्ड होते हैं, एक साथ जुड़े हुए होते हैं.
Yes,
काफी
very
closely.
nice. Yes, very nice. Because atoms in the metals are packed closely to each other. That's why they are dense and the hard structure. Right? That's why they are very dense and the hard structure, and their density is different in different metals. For example, is about in copper the density is the 9 gram cubic centimeter, and in the gold is 20 gram per cubic centimeter. So every dense metals have different density and their dense structure. Metals number 2 are the metals are malleable and ductile. Who will tell me about it?
मिस इसमें
Yes.
मिस होते कैन बी हैमर्ड इनटू शेप. मिस हम उस किसी भी शेप में तब्दील कर सकते हैं मगर उसको पूरा खत्म नहीं कर सकते कभी भी. और
Right.
में
You can
डक्टाइल होता है कैन बी डन टू अ वायर. मिस हम उनको उनकी शेप पतली करके उनको वायर में तब्दील कर सकते हैं मगर हम उनको उसके एटम खत्म नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं, we cannot be destroy them, but we
मिस हम
can
चीज को किसी मेटल को हिट करते हैं.
we can change their shape.
मिस हम किसी मेटल को हिट करते हैं तो उसके ऊपर वाली लेयर चेंज हो जाती है.
जी, ठीक है. This was the and the third point we have to discuss, that was the metals conduct electricity and heat. Metals conduct electricity and heat. ये भी हमने study किया था. What it means?
Miss, because in outermost shell of the metal, electrons are free. That's why they allow heat and electricity to pass through.
जी. Yes.
Miss, in metals, atoms or miss in metals, the outermost shell of electrons are free to move. That's why they allow heat and electricity to pass through them.
Very good answer. Very good answer. यानी बच्चों को पहले का भी आता है, बहुत कुछ आता है. When electric voltage is connected to the metal, an electric current flows because the electrons are free to move. Electrons are free to move. वो free होते हैं movement के लिए. That's why they can be conduct heat and electricity, right? But in case of the insulators, what happened? If you take the non-metals, what happens over there?
Miss, they do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them.
Right. Very good answer. In the next lesson, we have to study how do metal react. How do metal react? ये भी हमने पढ़ा था.
Yes, Miss.
What happened in this lesson? देखिए आज जो आपका टॉपिक है that is the reactivity theory. If you know about the reaction about the metals, why they are reacting with the water, acid, and in air, then you should completely will interest in your second lesson. ठीक है? अगर आपको ये पहले की बात पता है तो आप अपने नेक्स्ट लेसन को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझ पाएंगे. Right? So what is the behavior, what is the reaction of the metal with water, with acids, and with oxygen? I've told you about it. For example, if the metals are reacting of the oxygen of the atmosphere, what happens? If suppose that metals are reacting of the oxygen of the atmosphere, what happens? I've told you about this thing. बहुत अच्छी example मैंने आपको दी थी. I've told you about this thing. मैंने आपको example दी थी the gates about the iron.
मिस क्या पूछा आपने मिस?
I'm asking that if suppose that metals are reacting with oxygen of the atmosphere, what happens? What happens?
Miss, some of them react with oxygen and some of them not.
What is the iron
में ज्यादातर
oxide?
मेटल्स ऑक्सीजन के अंदर में जल्दी बर्न हो जाते हैं और लेकिन में
oxygen है.
ऑक्सीजन से उनको अगर हम बर्न ना करें तो कोई नुकसान
नहीं. देखिए, for example, oxygen is reacting. Sorry, metals is reacting with the oxygen. मैंने आपको example दी थी. There is a compound that is called the iron oxide. Iron oxide. Why iron oxide formed when the iron, आपके पास ये जो दूसरी आयरन की चीजें होती है ना, बाहर गेट वगैरह इन पे बारिश हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? What happens over there? This iron reacts with the oxygen of the atmosphere and they form a type of compound that is called the rust formation. Right? They form the rust formation. They form rust formation. Right? This rust formation is called the iron oxide. So this is about the reaction between the metals and the iron. So this was about your previous lesson, right, students? This was about your previous lesson, but today we are starting the new lesson that is called the reactivity series. Reactivity series. Now everyone listen to my lesson carefully, right? Then I will ask the question after my lesson, right? First listen to me. When you study the reaction of the metal, in case of the reaction of metals, I have told you that when metals are reacting with water, acid and oxygen, your problem see a pattern. Metals that are very reactive with one or usually reactive with other to a greater or lesser extent. Achha, on the page number 34, on the page number 34, there is a record. There is a table, right? There is a table of reaction with air, reaction with water, and reaction with dilute acid. Look at your table and understand my lesson. There is a series of the metals such as potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, lead, copper, silver, gold, and platinum. Right? These are the type of the metals, kinds of the metal, and they are reactive in different things. For example, reaction with air, reaction with water, and reaction with dilute acid. Some in all the metals, some are the reactive metals and some are the non-reactive metals. I've told you in my first lesson that there are two types of the group of the metals, reactive metals and non-reactive metals. Reactive metals are those which can react with air, water, and dilute sulfuric acid like that dilute acid. I've told you in case of my lesson, there are two types of the condition of the acid. First kind is called the dilute and other kind is the concentrated solution. So when they reacting with this solution, they show different reactions. So all of the metals which are reacting, they are called reactive metals, and some which do not are reacting, they are called unreactive metals. For example, in case of the reactive metal, see the table of the metals, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium on the page number 34, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead and copper. The three metals which are present at the bottom of the table, they are the silver, gold and platinum. They are called the unreactive and non-reactive metals. Why they call the non-reactive metals? इसके reason भी मैं आपको अभी बताऊँ. So first we are taking the first paragraph. You can see the first paragraph. I'm also be read it. When you study the reaction of metals with water, I think you have studied that when you are reacting with water, acid or oxygen, you can probably see a pattern. Metals that are very reactive one are usually reactive the other to a greater or lesser extent. It means that कि कुछ ये बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में रिएक्टिव करते हैं या रिएक्शन शो करते हैं और कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो उनकी जिनकी एक्सटेंट जो होती है वो कम होती है. Metals which are unreactive, one substance are unreactive with the other. और हमारे पास ये possibility भी हो सकती है कि जो metals reactive होते हैं वो एक substance के साथ भी react कर सकते हैं और दूसरे substance के साथ unreactive होते हैं. तो ये जो चीज आपको शो की जा रही है with the help of this table which is present on the 34. जो कुछ मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ आपने 34 पेज जिसको खुद से स्टडी करना है. So first we are taking the metal, so, which I told you that there is a series of the metal. Basically this series of the metals can be arranged in the table according to the way of reaction, right? ये जो टेबल्स के ऊपर मैंने आपको मेटल्स या एलिमेंट्स के नेम बताएंगे, दे आर अरेंज इन द टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वे ऑफ रिएक्शन. कि विच वन इज द मोर रिएक्टिव, विच वन इज द लेस रिएक्टिव. अब अगर आप टॉप से स्टडी करें, द फर्स्ट इज पोटेशियम. आई सेड दैट द पोटेशियम इज मोर रिएक्टिव because it's showing the reaction with the oxygen according to the table. It's showing the reaction, violent reaction with the water, and the third reaction with dilute acid, extremely violent reaction. So on this basis, we can say that in this table, the potassium is very reactive metal among all the other metals. and it is top of the series. And this series, reactivity series, is called the, this league of table is called the reactivity series. Now comes on the next paragraph. Metals can be arranged in a sort of league table. League table, according to the way they react, this league table is called the reactivity series. This league table is called the reactivity series. Why this is called the reactivity series? Because in this series, you are arrange your metals or the elements which can react with water, acid, and also be with the oxygen. This table is called reactivity series. Have you understood my point, students? So, in this table, the top of the element of the metal is called potassium. Why potassium is more reactive? Because it can be react with the air, with the water, and with the dilute acid. इसके बाद और नीचे की तरफ आए तो सेकंड वन इज कॉल्ड द सोडियम, कैल्शियम. ये तीनों की जो रिएक्टिविटी है पोटेशियम, सोडियम एंड कैल्शियम इज ग्रेटर एज कंपेयर टू द अदर एलिमेंट्स which are present below them. Other elements, magnesium, number 4 पे magnesium, number 5 aluminium, number 6 zinc, and number 7 iron. Then tin, lead, copper. Oxide form of surface in the air. Then last 3, silver, gold, platinum. So at the upper part, the elements are present. At the upper part, the elements are present are the more reactive elements. So what happens to potassium? Potassium is at the top of the table because it reacts fastest. It reacts fastest with water and reacts so violently with acid that it should never be put into. At the bottom of the league table are silver, gold, and platinum because they hardly ever react. They do not react easily due to daily life. And that's why we have to prepare the jewelry. घर में देखा होगा ना, घर में मम्मी jewelry वगैरह पहनी, तो we have to use mostly gold, platinum, and the silver. Why we have to use them? Because basically they are non-reactive metals. They are not showing the reaction. They are not showing any reaction. That's why we have to use for the jewelry purpose. That's why we have to use for the jewelry purpose. So what happens in this paragraph? In this paragraph, I have told you about the reactivity series and also be about the elements or metals which are present at the bottom of the your table which you are taking, which you are studying in your lesson. The last paragraph. Sometimes metals do not show their true reactivity. What it means is कभी वो अपनी reactivity को show नहीं कर पाए. For example, we are taking an element for the reaction, but it's not showing its reactivity. So what is the reason behind that? Because this is because the metal is surrounded by a layer of oxide which protects it. Sometimes I told you in my previous lesson, sometimes metals are quickly react of the oxygen of the atmosphere and they form layer of the oxide. For example, aluminum is a good example. Once the oxide is removed, the true position of the metal in the reactivity series can be established. Right? the true position of the metal in the reactivity series can be established. So this was the about this thing. Sometimes metal do not show their reactivity. And what is the reason behind that? The reason behind that, because it is surrounded by a layer of oxygen which protects it. Aluminium is a good example. When the oxide is removed, the true position of the metal in the reactivity series can be established. Now, I'm also be going to the recap of your lesson. In the reactivity series, page number 34, we are observing a table that is called the reaction between the metals with air, with water, and with acid. And with the help of this, we are taking the reactivity series of the metals and the element. यानी इस लेसन के जरिए हम इस चीज को स्टडी कर रहे हैं कि हमारी अर्थ पे जितने भी मेटल्स पाए जाते हैं उनमें से उनके रिएक्शंस के रैंक्स क्या हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल डेली लाइफ में बच्चा बहुत अच्छा होता है, वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे होता है, फिर सेकंड पोजीशन होती है, थर्ड पोजीशन होती है. हम करते हैं ना इस तरीके से पोजीशन वाइज या उनकी काबिलियत के बेसिस पे. तो बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज क्या है, ये किस्म का लीग टेबल है which consists of different kinds of metals. इसमें different kinds of metals होते हैं और different kinds of metals की वजह से ये अपने reactions को show करते हैं. As you know that the metals are very reactive with one or usually reactive with the others to a greater or lesser extent. Metals which are unreactive with one substance are unreactive with the other. This is the first point of the lesson. Number two, metals can be arranged in a sort of league table according to the way they react. यानी तमाम metals को हमने उनके way of reactions के मुताबिक arrange किया है, and this is called the league table and is called the reactivity series. Right. This league table is called the reactivity series. Actually, this table you can see at your board. The potassium is at the top of the league table because it reacts fastest with water, reacts so violently with acid that should be never put violently with acid that should be never put into it. At the bottom league table are silver, gold, and platinum because they hardly ever react. Right? Then the next point, sometimes metals do not show their reactivity. What is the reason behind that? The reason simple is that this is because the metal is surrounded by a layer of oxides which protect it. And this layer is called the oxide. The good example of this element is the aluminium. When the oxide is removed, the true position of the metal in the reactivity series is established. Right? So these are the 3 points and important points about the reactivity series. Now
हेलो मिस।
मिस
मिस की आवाज आ रही है तुम लोगों को?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं।
मिस आपने अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिया है।
मिस गई हुई होंगी।
मिस को काम होगा ना कोई।
सब लीव कर दो।
और नहीं मिस आ जाएंगी, हमें नहीं काम पड़ जाता क्लास
हेलो
लेते
हेलो
हुए।
हेलो।
आ गई मिस।
हेलो,
यस
Yes,
मिस।
can you hear me?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
here.
यस मिस।
yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you ask me any question about this lesson?
No.
No, miss. समझ
मिस
आ
ऐसे
गया।
एसिड सच्ची में होते हैं जो पानी में मिक्स होके फट जाते हैं?
एसिड सच्ची होती है क्या मतलब? कौन से एसिड?
इस काफी दफा देखा है ना मैं टीवी में
When you,
कि
for
कुछ एसिड्स
example,
होते हैं जो पानी में मिक्स होके ब्लास्ट हो जाते हैं।
yes, they are concentrated acid. Sometimes when they react with water, they form explosion, no doubt. But we are taking about the topic reactivity series. इस reactivity series में मैंने आपको 4 points बताए थे, तो मैंने आपको बताया है, मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन किया है। मैं आज के सब क्वेश्चन टू यू कि मैं आपसे कुछ पूछना चाह रही हूँ इस लेसन के बारे में। व्हाट इज reactivity series? यस, अभी मैंने इतनी देर आपको पढ़ाया है 20 मिनट्स। व्हाट इज reactivity series बेटा? Who will tell me?
मिस यानी कि इस तरह से मेटल्स को ऑर्डर में लेके आना जिस तरह से वो रिएक्ट करते हैं।
यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। कि हमने जो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में पढ़ा है वो आपको लीग टेबल के बारे में बताया है कि हाउ वी आर अरेंज द एलिमेंट्स और मेटल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द वे ऑफ द रिएक्शन। इसमें
इस
मैंने
नीचे
आपको
एग्जांपल भी दी हुई है। वो
एग्जांपल
अगर हम मेल रखते हैं वाटर में तो
हाँ
चेंज
पोटेशियम।
हो जाता है।
हाँ, व्हाट इज पोटेशियम? पोटेशियम में मैंने आपको सबसे पहले बताया है कि पोटेशियम आपका फर्स्ट मेटल है विच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन योर
मिस
टेबल।
मैग्नीशियम को अगर हम ऑक्सीजन के साथ मिक्स कर दें तो वो भी इसी में ही आता है।
That will be formed magnesium oxide also. Magnesium oxide.
मिस वो
Potassium
भी
is there.
यही
अच्छा,
रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में आता है।
yes, yes. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, all present in the table. Potassium at the top of the league table because it reacts fastest with water and reacts so violently with acid that is chopped, that never should be put in it, right? Because इसकी reactions जो है वो देखें, it is burn in air, violent reaction with cold water, extremely violent reaction. So this is
मिस
the at the
रेडिएशन
top.
इनमें से कौन सी चीज में है जो चार्ट में दी हुई है? इनमें से किसी चीज में रेडिएशन भी होती है?
There is no any radiation. Reactivity, reactions, that is called reactions. There is no radiation. ठीक है? There is a reaction. अच्छा भाई, now This is the homework, right? अब आइए comes on the page number 35. Test yourself. There are two questions. Question number 1, what is the reactivity series? And question number 2, what is potassium at the top of the reactivity series? So what is reactivity series? I've told you in the book, in the second paragraph. Yes, Vijaya?
Yes, miss.
Can you write down this answer on your copy?
Yes, miss. I marked it on my book.
हाँ, ठीक है ना, कोई मसला तो नहीं है?
No, miss.
I am giving you 2 questions
मिस
Okay.
सारे कर लो
for the homework. I am giving
Okay.
you 2 questions for your homework, right?
ठीक है,
मिस
miss.
मेरे पीछे से भी कुछ क्वेश्चन इनकम्प्लीट है, उसको बुक से ढूंढ के खुद कर सकते हैं
Yes, yes.
अपने
ये
वर्ड्स
तो
में।
question answers to it's your homework ना बेटा. You should do it. आप जितना आप समझेंगे लेसन को, उतना ही आपको आंसर्स वगैरह सब कुछ आ जाएंगे. You will do it by yourself, right?
स्टार्ट के 2 क्वेश्चन करना
Just your homework only 2 questions. What is the reactivity series and why is potassium at the top of the reactivity series? Okay, अच्छा. Is there any question about this thing? Any problem बच्चों?
No, miss.
Time over हो रहा है.
No, miss.
ठीक है? Okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Okay, miss. Allah.
Allah.
मिस अल्लाह हाफिज।
Allah, miss.
अल्लाह हाफिज
Hafiz.